let's look at function. In this video, we're going to talk about function. I'll be going straight to the main points. Just now, we're going straight to the main points. Now, when we talk about function, for example, here we have fx is equal to 2x plus 5. Right? That's a find this. This example of what the function, and this is what is very fundamental. Please pay close attention here because function is a little bit wide. So I'll be posting about 4 to 5 videos to explain function. After function, I'm going to go to limits. Now, JAMB, WAEC, NECO, one, they love asking this kind of questions. So please pay close attention. So if you have been asked, if you have something f is equal to 2x plus 5, just say find f3x, right? How do you solve it here? What you want to know here is that this guy resembles this guy here. That is, my s is equal to 3 what x. Just this x is equal to what 3x because x 3x. So this guy is equal to what this guy here. So if x is equal to 3x, then find fx 2x plus. Right? That means anywhere I see my x, I'll put 3x. So it would be 3x equals to 2, right? There's 2 here. Remember, x is what? Is 3x plus 5. Hope you understand. So here we have 3x equals to. Now, if you show me the bracket, 2 times 3x is what? Is 6 what? X plus 5. This is not the answer. So whenever I have something like this, so you understand that this s is equal to this guy here because these two look alike. So this equals to this, and this they say should find this. Hope you understand. Now let's look at another one. So you can also pause the video and solve it. What is what? F2. Pause the video and tell me your answer. Leave your answer in the comment section. Pause the video and leave your answer in the comment section. Pause the video and leave your answer in the comment section. Fn is equal to 10x minus 3. F2, right? It's very easy. I believe you have solved it here. Drop your answer at the comment section. Now, if you have something like this, right? So it means that what does it mean here? It means that s is equals to 2. Fs equals to 10x minus 3. Let's say f2, right? That is my x is equals to 2. So anywhere I see my x, I put my 2. So it would be right equals to what? 10 2 minus 3, right? 10 times 2 is what? 10 times 2 is what? Is 20 minus 3, right? Which equals to what? 20 minus 3 is what? Is 17. That is the answer here. You can see that this is very, very easy. So we are still at the beginner stage. So if you have been given this question here, how do you solve this question? How do you solve it? How do you solve this question? So yeah, fx minus 4 is equal to s squared plus 2s plus 3. Find f2. How do you solve it here? Now remember, we have to equate this guy and this guy. That is first you want to do. You have to equate this guy and this guy. So it's going to be s minus 4 is equal to what? 2. Right? Do you understand? So let's make s the subject of formula. If you want make s the subject of formula, we have to get x equals to 2 plus what? 4. We're going to do what? 6. So going to be s equals to what? 6. Right? Now, if I have s and I put 2 here, if I put 6 here, because anyway I see my x, I'll put 2. So going to be f 6 minus 4, right? Equals to 6 raised by what? 2, right? Plus 2, 6 plus 3. 6 raised by 2 is what? Is 36. 36 plus 12 plus 3. Right? So this is 15. We have equals to what? 51. That is what answer here. You can see how easy it is. You can see our function is very, very easy. So we are not done. So put your answer in the comment section. So let's solve it together here. Now they say fs plus 2 equals to 2s squared plus 7s minus 5. Find f minus 1. Understand that you must therefore equate this guy to this guy here. So you have x plus 2 is equals to what? Minus 1. Minus what? 1. Make x so formula here. Can you to the other side here? Here we have x equals to minus 1 minus what? 2, right? So we have x, let's say x equals to minus what? Minus 3. So then anywhere I see my x, I put what? Minus 3. If I have something like yes, s plus 2. So anywhere I see my x, so going to be f minus 3 plus 2. It's going to be what? Minus 1, right? So let's say minus 1. Let's say is what is minus 1. Minus 1, right? Equals 2, right? So remember, anywhere I see my x, I put what? Minus 3. So it will be 2 minus 3 raised by 2, right? Plus 7 minus 3 minus what? 5. Minus 3 raised by 3. Minus 3 raised by 2 is going to be minus 3 times minus 3. So minus 3 times minus 3. Minus times minus is what is plus. 3 times 3 is what is 9. So it's going to be 2, 9 plus. Remember, plus times minus is minus. So 7 times 3 is what is 21. Right? Minus what? 5. So 2 times 9 is what is 18. Minus what? 21 minus 5. The answer here. Got minus 8. So minus 8 is what is the answer. Minus 8 is what is the answer. So now let's look at what the next question, because I really want us to solve a lot of questions here. So now let's solve the next question. Let's solve this one here. Fx equals to 2x squared minus 5x plus 3. Let's say you want find fx plus 1, right? S is going to be this guy here for real, right? So it's going to be s equals to what? S equals to s plus 1, right? So then let's get it here. So it's going to be f s plus 1 equals to, now my x, then you have to put s plus 1. So it's going to be 2 s plus 1 raised by 2, right? Minus 5 s plus 1 plus what? 3, right? Let's expand this guy here. So s plus 1 is equals to the same thing. S plus 1, s plus 1, right? S times s is what is s squared. S times 1 is what is plus s. 1 times s is what plus what? S plus 1, right? What if you should expand it? So we have s squared plus 2s plus 1. It's okay. You have this one. So it's going to be what? 2s squared plus 2s plus 1. Open the bracket here. Once you open this bracket, right? Once you open this bracket, it's going to be minus, right? Minus 5x plus what? Plus what? Minus times minus, minus times plus is what is minus. Minus 5 times 1 is what is 5, right? Plus what? 3. So let's expand this guy. If you open this bracket here, you have 2s squared plus 4x plus 2, right? You now have what? Minus 5x minus 5 plus 3. So what are we going to do here? Collect like terms. If you collect like terms here, you have 2s squared, right? So let's take all the s together here. So we have plus 4x minus 5x. Here we have plus 2, right? Plus 3. This is that. So here we have 2s squared, right? 4x minus 5 is going to be what? Minus You're like 4 minus 5. Here we have 1 minus 1. So going to be minus x. So going to be minus what? X, right? 2 plus 3 is here we have what? 5 plus 5. So this is then the answer. This is the answer. So here we have because what 2s squared minus s plus 5. This is not what the answer, right? Can size it is here. So here we are done with the first part. Now the next one we want to look at going to be composition of function. Right, that was going to be the next video. So please don't miss out. If this video is helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Follow me more so I will not miss out. Thanks for watching. See you in my next video.